representative. At the same time, our district in charge of Basaytu District, Dr. Relden R. Cajes, our beautiful and kind school principal, Ma'am Irene C. Caharo, our barangay official who are with us today, headed by our barangay chairwoman, Mrs. Perla Perpetua G. Porferada, my co-mentors, non-teaching personnel, guests, proud parents, my dear pupils, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to everyone. Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Today, we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our learners that marks both an ending and a new beginning. And on this special occasion, it is my feeling that we honor and recognize a respected educator whose dedication and service have greatly contributed to the growth of Tingig and Prairie School. Ang ating panauhing tagapagsalita ay hindi lamang isang guro, kundi isang kilalang haligi ng ating paaralan. Isang taong patuloy na nagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa mga mag-aaral at kasamahang guro sa pamamagitan ng kanyang kagalingan, kababaang loob at tapat na paglilingkod. We proudly introduce Sir Venancio A. Tiberio Jr., Teacher 3 of Tingig Integrated School. Over the years, he has shown remarkable commitment in shaping young minds, instilling values, and preparing learners to become responsible citizens of our community. His passion for education reflects the true essence of leadership service rooted in integrity and compassion. Sa tima nating Pilipino nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Si Sir Venancio ay isang buhay na halimbawa na pinagsamang talino at mabuting asal. Through his work, he has shown that leadership begins with character, and the true success is the measure not only but what we know, but by who we choose to become. Today, we are privileged to hear from someone who has dedicated his life to teaching, mentoring, and guiding learners toward excellence. Truly, he embodies the values we celebrate in this year's graduation feast. Kaya naman, mga minamahal na magulang at guro at nagsipagtapos, let us all stand and warmly welcome our esteemed guest speaker, Sir Venancio A. Tiberio Jr. A round of applause, please.